This is about the worst experience I've had in my life with internet. I'm going to rage. I almost burst a blood vessel trying to get this thing on. So please put a 1 in the chat if you can see and hear everything all right. This has been shocking. I've been hand-holding this beautiful trade right here. Meanwhile, the internet's dropping in and out. Meanwhile, the stream doesn't want to work. Bloody hell. So we are live, but we're going to have to juggle this brutally frustrating Australian internet. I'm very, very annoyed with that. I never had a worse experience with internet than here in Australia. So let me get that sorted while I'm off next week. But anyways, I'm in a really good trade right now, so I can't be too mad, right? Here's the trade. I did record this since it was before the streams. I've recorded the entries and everything to break down on the channel as well, because it was really, really good. It was a great trade setup, and it also used a bit of bookmap confluence as well. So I initially had a little long here from the edge of what was a even distribution node. Closed it out pretty quickly when I saw the CVD was dropping and we started to melt down. I closed it out for a small loss, waited for price to come down towards the previous day point of control, current session value area low. And I got in on that once I saw the exhaustion on bookmap, basically bottom ticking this massive move. So I got in with 10 contracts, sold off 8 at this point, and I've got 2 more as a runner right now. So it's up 1,500 running and realized, I think it was about 4,000 realized. No, 3,200 realized. So yeah, really good way to start the session. Do love a London session. So really, really nice. Really, really nice. I'll hold this until whatever, I don't even think I care too much about trailing this stop up. I'm just going to see how far it can go. Let's see if it pushes all the way up. If it does, it's awesome. Otherwise, if it comes back, I'm down. I lose out on an extra 1,500. Already locked in 3,200 on the take profit trader funded account. So am I mad? No, sir, I'm not. I am mad at this internet. So yeah, really good start. Really good start. First trade of the day for me. I have not traded at all today. It is currently 5 p.m. here in Australia, so it's near the end of my day. But let's go, man. What a really good trade. Really happy with this. Cool. You can all see and hear me. Good. Micronesian GGs, man. I was waiting for that most of the day. Had to go out to get my son and missed it. Damn, dude. What a shame. Such a good setup. Get Starlink. I know, Kimbo, here's the thing. I live in a major Australian city, one of the major hubs here, Gold Coast, and the internet's supposed to be good. I shouldn't need Starlink, but the way it's been, I'm gonna look into other providers, man. It's terrible. New house update. I don't want to dox myself. But hey, man, new house is nice. It's on the water. It's sunny every day here. Nice and central to everything. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Trading in Apex 50K eval, risking 300 only A-rank trades. Am I doing it right? Yes. FN trades, A-rank trades, the best trades, of course. Like I said yesterday, anyone in the school community or in the course who says, hey, man, I'm losing a lot, or, I'm having trouble with getting into drawdown, I just always say, just focus on the A-rank trades, forget everything else, and you'll have a good time. Let me close that, see if that speeds things up. There we are. AD from Japan. What's up, AD? I love... What the hell? Are we back? This is terrible, man. This is some shocking internet. I'm back, but look at this pop. Holy shit. We're still in it. It's just signed out. Hold on. Let me sign back in. Un momento. This is shit, man. This internet is so shit. Holy shit, though. Look at that. Look at that thing run. Oh, my goodness. Oh, we're on a big boy trade today. Big boy. Big boy trade. Holy shit. Up 3,200 realized and then 2,500 unrealized. So this is going crazy good. Bottom tick that entry. Really, really nice. Do I have friends that also trade, or do I grind alone? I grind alone. I'm not even saying this to be funny. I basically have zero friends. I'm a total hermit. Total hermit. Just got my wife, my animals, and my family back in New Zealand. That's it, man. That's it. Got maybe 2 friends I can say that I classify as friends, but a couple of good boys. Other than that, man, your boy is friendless. Always have been. I just a bit of an introvert. How come you don't use VWAP for your current profile? Not something I use. What am I trading? This is the NASDAQ. Oh, Nolan, yes. Nolan, what's your Instagram username? Let me know. Man, this is running some big, big numbers. This is good. Imagine I held all 8 contracts. There's always what if. I sold off the 8 contracts. So I'll run you through the trade while we were sitting here. But if we zoom in a bit. So I initially had got long here with 4 contracts, just a small little scalp back towards point of control because it was just ranging. So I was playing that range. And I got in and quickly sold that once I saw it coming back. So I lost about 10 points on that first one. But then we came down to the point where I had a B rank set up here. And we have the previous day's point of control. And on the profile here, we have previous day's point of control. We have the edge of this sort of even distribution node. And then on the book map, we also had exhaustion down here. There was, absorption. There was sellers getting absorbed right at that low. So holy shit, we're running high. I got him right at that low and I got my position in, scaled into 10 contracts total. And then we blasted through this high volume node here, blasted through no problem. So I targeted the opposing node, which was on the upper end here. And I got out with the majority of the position because that's normally a good area to exit, because if you are going to find some sort of roadblock for your trade, high volume node like this is the one. So I got out there. We've lost internet again, dude. Let me just fix this. Hold on. We back. Are we back? Okay, we're back. Okay. So as I was saying, take profit target was this node here. This was point of control in the past. Targeted that, took off 8 contracts and moved my stop to break even, and have left 2 contracts to run on this trade. And I've got no target for these 2 contracts. I'm just going to hold it as long as possible. If price drops all the way back down below the value area high here, then I might close it out and take that profit. If not, I'm just going to see how far it runs and keep going. Why not? I've secured 3,200 realized profit after that first loss. Total 3,200 secured profit, and now just squeezing it for more. So yeah, really cool. If you're connected to NBN, take out your 5G SIM and your modem. Terrible. Nolan Robbins, cool. Okay, Nolan. Let me get you. I'll message you on Instagram right now. Yeah, man, I get like 20 DMs a day, mainly from people like, um, hey man, you ever thought of scaling your personal brand with one-to-one mentorships, high-ticket mentorships? Get tons of those every day. It's a pain in my ass. Let's have a look, Nolan. There we are. Yeah, man. So what a trade. What a trade. Am I still live? Yeah, I'm live. Which size account do I trade? This is a 150K funded account. So the trade was based off the previous day's point of control. Previous day point of control, which was from here, so from 9:30 through to 3:59 p.m. NASDAQ, boom, boom. Value area low plus edge of D-shaped profile. And then Bookmap added Confluence, a nice absorption on that support level. Pradeep, what's up, man? New base is good. New base is real good. I know, GZ, Perth being the best place to trade New York Open in Australia. You guys have a great time zone for New York Open. Micro Peen Strat, how many 150K accounts do you link? I don't link my accounts, CS. I'm trading them all individually. I used to link them. I was linking them for a period of time, but I have since switched to trading them individually. Yeah, let's run through that book map. So here it was. Don't know if you guys can see this. Can you see this? It's frozen again, isn't it? Ay, ay, ay. You can't see it. I recorded. Oh, yeah, there we are. Cool. So not absorption, but exhaustion. I was getting confused. So down at these lows here, we were right on a support level, right? This low here on the book map is the same low here where I took my trade. So these are the same spots in price. As we approach this support level, which was edge of the profile and the previous day's point of control, as we approach that, on the book map, we had aggressive selling going down, right? Aggressive selling, bang, 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 bang. We hit that support level and that selling fizzles out. Right, the selling fizzles out, and then I don't know if you can see here on the book map as well. We also had buyers add to the bid there. Passive buyers absorbing also some of the selling, and the selling so annoying, man. So annoying. So yeah, all in all, really, really clean trading today. Really happy with this. Really, really happy with it. Just my freaking internet. So far, running floating P&L on this $6,000. 6,000 schmackaroos. trading NQ instead of ES now? Yes. Yes, every year I switch between. I've been trading 8 years now. Every single year I will focus on, well, I've been doing this for the last 4 years, choosing one asset class, focusing on that, and then only trading that for a year. And yeah, I did S&P last year, and this year NASDAQ. The year before this, I was doing gold. So just like to change it around. Why not turn on heat map for bookmap? Visual levels are important. Not something I personally find too helpful, Pi. I mean, they are important, but what I've got is I've just got it turned all the way down, so I'm just seeing the massive levels of liquidity instead of everything. Like if I turn it up, it's too much to look at. I just want to have it turned down, just have it in the background. I'm mainly looking at the absorption and the exhaustion. And yeah, I mean, I'll keep an eye on the heat map, but it's not something I'm using intensively. My average daily profit target, I don't have a profit target, but I have a minimum I always aim to make at least $1,000 per account per day. So I don't have a target, but I got a minimum. So like if I hit my minimum, say if I hit a trade and I've already made $1,000 and then I've made something on top of that. Say if I've made $2,000 on an account and then I see another A rank set up later in the day, I will risk that extra $1,000 to then dial in on another trade, with accepting the fact that if I'm wrong, at least I'm up my minimum target, which is 1,000 on the day. So yeah. I agree, Pradeep. You tell me, man. My internet issue is very severe. It wasn't this bad yesterday, but today it's been shocking. How can I trade with it? Just make sure I got stop losses in place. I'm getting it fixed though this weekend. This is terrible. Terrible. How much were I risking at first when you pass your combine to get a payout? Did you pass your combine first try? No way, man. Errol Collin, my first ever futures combine was 2 years ago 3 years ago now, when I was trading ICT. And it took me 6 weeks to pass. I had to reset once for my first ever combine, one reset. But yeah, now it's trading volume profile. I mean, now I've also got, an extra 2 years of experience. And yeah. Now combines that he's a cakewalk to pass. But yeah, back then, 6 weeks to pass my first futures combine. If we're talking about full on just any prop firm, I used to trade Forex. That's where I started, CFDs. And my first CFD account probably took me like 5-6 months to pass, multiple resets. Well, it wasn't even resets for those. You just had to buy new ones at the time. I know, Nolan, the Top Step show has been terrible. Honestly, at this point with Top Step, I don't understand why people will continue to use it. They're still good if they hadn't cut their platform options. Top Step X was good when it worked. It was a good beginner-friendly platform, and the risk settings and all that are great on Top Step X. But the issues they have are just unacceptable. I'm gone again, man. Internet's gone again. Absolutely shocking. What the shit? Man, dude, I'm with... So I got a temporary internet solution because I just moved here, right? I grabbed something just quick. I'm with Vodafone. It's shocking, man. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna go change this tomorrow, guys. This internet is. We're not doing anything with this internet. Stream. This is shocking quality of stream. The trade is fantastic, but this is no good. I'm gonna cut the stream. I'll post this up on YouTube because this is a great trade, really good trade. I'll post it up on YouTube as a trade breakdown in like an hour. But we can't do this. This is not working. This is terrible. Terrible. I'm gonna go fix this internet for tomorrow and let's get it better because this is shocking, man. Guys, I'm gonna go fix this. Stay updated with the with the trade over on Instagram, or I'll post this in an hour or so. If you want to learn how to trade volume profile, links in the chat. Learnvolumeprofile.com. Learn how to find setups like this. And if you want to get funded with Take Profit Trader, which is who I'm trading with, code CAMCAP, CAMCAP, the 40% discount is back. So code CAMCAP for that. 40% off, no activation fee. And I believe they're also giving you a refund on your eval when it comes through to passing. So have a look at that. I'm going to cut it here, guys. This internet is shocking. I'm leaving the trade on. I'll update you guys on this trade on Instagram, and I'll post it on YouTube once I'm out. Jonathan, thanks, man. But yeah, I got to get this sorted. I'll fix this for tomorrow. Shocking internet. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, same time. We'll do London again tomorrow. I'll see you soon.